famous. Hey! Oh my god, this is amazing. Say hi. Everyone say hi. Oh my gosh, this is amazing and it's great. Hi. This is Amazon. Everybody say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Oh, yay! Someone said hi. Yay! We did it. Let's connect with the other UFO over there. Yay! Someone said hi. Yay! Someone said hi.
Wait, who's moving us?
I don't know. I think it's... I don't know.
Come on, we're gonna be...
Yes, ma'am. Look at this. This is pro. Like, look at this. It's amazing. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. Alexa. Who wants some lasagna? Who wants some lasagna?
Alexa!
It's a long... I know this is a bad joke. Just leave me alone.
Ah!
How did we do that?
Yay!
Whee! Lasagna. Lasagna. We did it! I think. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Is anyone sitting the kitty tail? Go collect more humans. Go Laza. Look at these.
Come on, you gotta... Oh, are those what Halloween poppers look like? They're so pretty.
Halloween boppers. Look at this, guys. This is amazing, and it's just amazing.
Who's at the core? Who's in charge?
I think it's...
You're in charge now. Move.
I can't.
Oh, I think it's died out.
No! I got off.
It's okay, you're back.
Oh, yes. This is amazing. Look at this, guys. If you don't like this, then you're a disgrace to the world.
There's 4 UFOs here.
Let's abduct more people!
Take a quick sign.
Well, obviously, we're gonna abduct more people. Why wouldn't we?
So... Oh, I can't even move.
No, we
You know
can't
what?
move.
Serena, can you find my thing?
Yes. Ah, I'm lagging! Zayna, you're the lag kid.
Relax. Come on, connect to me. Yes.
Once. Oh no, we got all hashtagged. We gonna die. We gonna die. We gonna die. Oh no, we gonna die. We gonna die. I don't want to. Hi, friends.
Okay, try moving.
Hi, ma'am. Are you? Oh. I don't have a shop. I don't have a shop. I don't have a shop.
Ew, bloody diarrhea tails.
Okay, I don't have very many good dresses though. Be warned, because I traded most of them. I has dat. I has dat. What are you? What are you going to give for it?
I do.
Wait, what?
No, man. The enchanted heirloom sleeves. I have those.
What was she gonna give for them?
I don't know anymore. Someone else already got to her. Please decline.
Meow.
I think you're in control.
Come, child. We're going to go over
Wait, are
here.
you in control?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Yes, come on. Let's collect people finally. Let's collect bloody diarrhea.
Hi, friends.
Yes, we did it. Come on, more people.
More! No, everybody's going up there because they know we can't get up there. Come, friend. Don't you want to be with us, friend?
Come on, they're jumping quick. Collect people.
Hi,
I
friend.
think you could collect someone who's dressing up. Wait, can't you fly up or something?
You guys are too heavy. I know where we're gonna go, though. Come on, friends. Let's go. Let's go make some more friends in the evening. Let's make some more friends. With some more.
Oops, no.
Let's make some more friends.
Let me be in control. Come on.
Ah! We're gonna do
What
this.
are you doing?
We're gonna go up here.
Come into my so I can be in control.
We're going up.
Imagine how you're
These two girls are trading, and I'm just taking them somewhere. Well, girls, you're gonna be in a spot that you don't know of, but that's okay, cause you could just die. Cause we too fat. You're so mad. Ah! No, we can't die. Yeah, you guys are too fat. Can't fit. That's better. These girls. You know what? I'm gonna put them right here.
I can't get up.
I'm gonna put these girls right here.
Do you know what Alt F4 is?
No, I don't. Well, these girls are gonna be right here for a bit. All right, bye, girls. Hi, girls. You climb.
Ah! I think I'm doing it, but your guy, but this one is, oh god!
We're all gonna die soon, and it's gonna be your fault. How are we doing this? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. And the best part about this is I'm recording all of it.
Oh, this is so good. We need to share this.
Oh, look at these balloons. Oh my god, this is amazing, this is amazing, this is amazing. Guys, look how amazing this is. This is amazing. Now go up there, women. Women, careful. Okay. Ah. We're going up here. How about I just pick these peeps up? Come on. Come on, friends. Friends, you want to come? Come on, friends. Let's go. Friends! My friends don't like me. We're just gonna go up here. Come on. We're gonna tell them come on and shout. Come on. We've got places to be. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Look who joined. Oh my god.